Another thing I know you got into, and you were doing a lot of it also, was acting.
Yes.
All right. One of the first movies that I actually seen you in was In Too Deep.
Yeah.
With LL Cool J and Omar Epps. Pam Grier was in it. There was a lot of people in it.
Yes.
How did that come around?
Veronica, well, I went as a reader. They were hiring readers with American accents. I could speak American.
Yeah.
And then you're not going to put me in American set. And then I go see LL. Michie, what are you doing here? I'm working at my job in Canada.
Yeah.
You are the star here, don't wait. Because I always opened up for LL Cool J, whether he came here. And so it was just like, Michie, and then he would put me in gave me all my FUBU jacket. All of us got FUBU, me and Veronica Webb. He made me the godmother gave me one line, my name,
yeah.
But it was like, nah, she sits over here, because he felt, you're a reader, but you're an accent. Now you come with us. So they made me, if you're a reader here, you kind of leave the stars and they go. He put me in the limo. We drove around in the limo in Toronto to get in the zone. Gave me my FUBU jacket. I got to share a trailer, I think, with somebody. Like, he really made me. So shouts out to LL Cool J. Yeah, he made me. He reminded people here, and I remember one of the execs came to me and said, "How do you know all these people?" I was like,
"You don't know who I am." Yeah.
And then by the end, they kind of left me alone on set. But like, okay, she's part of the cast. Yeah, so shouts out to LL.
Into the big.
Yeah.
Another classic that I seen you in was when we were on TV. Drop the Beat.
Yeah.
All right. Crazy.
One of my favorite jobs.
How did that come around?
Well, we were sitting at CKLN. It was very hard to play a lead, but because it was so close to what I was doing already, and the storyline is so CKLN, it's so CHRY, it's so anywhere that's radio, not underground, college radio.
Yeah.
It's that route. So being the female there, and then I got to do all the hip hop and be the artist. It came about, they were doing a mass audition for everybody, so a lot of people auditioned. Initially, I believe they even wanted DJ starting from scratch to be the main guy, and Shaman got it. There was just so many people that they had a vision of what the scene is. And this was one of the best ways that they could have brought it to light, because we made sure that the entire hip hop scene got a cameo. So if you look at the entire scene, I wish it would come back. You got to see everybody in their youth days making some of their TV debuts right here on the CBC, and it was so cool because CBC took a risk in hip hop, and that was a big moment for me, just personally. Yeah. And I was like, yeah, and then to be a part of it, and then to play lead, that was my first lead. Yeah, and you think you're rich, and then you shop. Yeah.
Well, welcome to Canada.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, CBC really that when they took that risk, that was a big deal for me, because that's one of the main things that keeps me going in the acting world. Yeah. Not everything lasts forever and so forth, but Drop the Beat was such a staple. So yeah.
How long was Drop the Beat on for?
We had 2 seasons. If you go 2, you're happy.
Yeah.
2 seasons,
you're good.
Yeah, we were so close to 3. We're like, I just remember my character being shipped off to Europe for tour. I was like, oh man, that's that part. That's that part. Yeah. So yeah, I knew it wasn't coming back. I'm in Europe.
It was a good while.
Divine is the character. She's still on tour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.